Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? I'm about to dive back into it with another video, people. You know how we do. All I do is show you proof, facts, results. All right, don't use 100 sites, don't use 300 sites. Just use about 10 to 17 different sites. That's all I use, about 10 to 17 different sites on a daily basis, on a different time span. It depends on which type of app you're using and stuff like that. But I just show you guys how to make the free money, where to make the free money, and show you that it works 100% for free. All right, people. So shout out to the online team. See people out there doing their thing, grinding. All right, this is a big, huge video right here, people. Huge video right here. All right, because I got referrals going crazy right now. I got a couple referrals going crazy, and you guys have to understand. Let me just jump into OfferNation real quick. You guys have to understand. If I am still cashing out on here, and I told you guys, like, I do surveys and stuff like that. Let me just show you guys a survey that I did completed earlier. Let me show you guys right here. So move my screen up here. I think it was at 140, 139 or something like that. There it goes right here. Now you can see right here, free online money maker right here, dynamic surveys. All right, people. So you gotta understand, like, I just completed this 20 minutes ago. I just completed this 20 minutes ago for 70 cents. So you guys gotta understand, like, I'm not too big to come here and humble myself. And if I gotta bang this out, if I gotta do 15 of these, 10, 15 of these, right? I'll do that for my $10 a day. I'll do 15 of these for $10 a day. Every single day, $300 a month. Take that $300 a month, invest in the stock market. After about 6 to 8 months, 10 months, 12 months, right? A year, you're gonna see some traction. You're gonna see a lot of things moving. They're able to create different streams of income, so that you don't have to use my system no more. But you still have the same methods, the same philosophy. I can get this money from here, take it and invest it, or take it and put it into what I'm doing, or just invest it in myself, right? So there's always things to do, but you guys have to keep looking, and you guys got to continue being curious, all right? I just show you this because I like to show you guys that it works. All right, I always keep money in here. I'm always cashing out. All right, I cash out almost every single day. All right, only time I don't cash out is because I'm probably cashing out my other sites, or I'm just busy. I don't get to log in or whatever. Right, but I'm telling you that it works. I've been using it for a couple years now, and everything is just smooth. All right, just 100% free money. Come in here, watch my tutorials. I show you exactly where to go. All right, reason why I say this video is huge because I got a couple referrals that are going insane. So you have to understand. If I have a couple of referrals doing very, very, very well, I'm going to be doing very well, right? But you got to understand, it's not about that. If you see, if I'm telling you I have a referral that's making at least $20, $30 every day, right? You have to understand that the money is here. The money's on the site. It's here. So if he's making 10, 15, he or she making 10, 15, $20 every single day, that's $300 a month. That's $450 a month. That's $600 a month free. You gotta understand, that's not chump change if you know what to do with it. But if you're just spending it on stuff that doesn't matter, then, but you gotta understand that money will help you on an every single day basis. You don't have to use my system forever. Do it until you got enough to fund what you want to fund. Then you can move on. All right. So like I said, you can do this. All right. Over here, I'll show you guys right here on Peanut Labs. You get paid 15% more. All right, on all paid servers on Peanut Labs, all right? Like, I wanted to show you guys that just to make sure you guys jump into Peanut Labs, bang those servers out. That's 15% more money on everything, all right? So you can see right here, backstage, people. I show you guys my backstage stats. I don't play. All right, you see $15 in the account right now. Point balance, $31.48. Total amount earned, $3,600 some change. Total referrals, $1,243. Referral earnings, $13.99. So I understand. Out of all this right here, I made this. I made $2,000 and some change off of this, and $13.99 for my referrals. Okay, so you gotta understand, like, it's a small drip, right? Like, you make $2 a day, it doesn't matter, right? But guess what? If you do it for a whole year, if you do it for a whole another year, if you do it for a whole, it just keeps compounding and building on itself, right? But you have to know what to do with the money monthly. Monthly, if you don't know what to do with the money, save it. You don't know what to do with the money next month, save it. You don't know what to do with the money next month, save it. While you're doing that, you need to start figuring out what you're going to do with the money, how you want to invest the money, what do you want to do, right? While you're doing that, you're still collecting income and stacking, putting it to the side, So in month 3, month 6, month 10, you're going to be at a great spot. You're going to be at a great spot. There's going to be no more excuses. All these excuses you've been making, there's going to be no more excuses. You got the money. You got the idea. Now you just got to push through and go for it. All right. So on every single day basis, this is what I be on. I just be trying to get closer to where I need to be at. All right. I'm trying to get closer to where I be at. I'm gonna have a whole lot of different videos about how to stay focused and how to get rid of distractions and how to stay locked in, because it's crazy. All right. Every time I think that I'm locked in, I'm doing great, I'm doing good, I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing, I step back and I reevaluate what I'm doing, how I'm moving, last 6 months, last 4 months, last 2 weeks, right? Last hour. How am I moving? Am I moving closer to the goal? And if you're not, that means you gotta fix that. All right, you gotta fix that and always make sure you're moving closer to whatever your goal is. All right, whatever you need to do. All right, so right here I'm gonna cash out real quick, and I'm gonna just give you guys a quick bring my screen down back. Give you guys a quick tutorial. Let me cash out first. Let's go to withdraw. Let's first go to convert. Go to convert points. I'm gonna convert my points. I'm gonna just cash out everything just to show you guys. I'm gonna cash out everything here. I think it's about $50, under $50, like 40 something dollars. So you convert my points, and the reason why I show you guys this over and over, I want to show you that it works. I want you guys to come in here, earn your $5, and actually come here, convert the points, and actually cash out. That's why I'm showing you, so you could do the same exact thing, 100% free into your PayPal. You do that every single day. You're gonna be somewhere at day 50, day 60. You're gonna be somewhere, so it's up to you to stay with it. All right, let me put my 3148.00. I think that's it. Wait, that's 3. Yeah, that should be. Let me see. Yep. Okay, so 46.72. $46.72. Still got 30 cents here. I don't think that's 30 cents. I think that's 0.3 of a cent. I think that's a third of a cent right there. So we're gonna let that sit there. All right, so I'm gonna cash out this whole 46.72. I'm gonna log into PayPal just to show you how fast it goes. Matter of fact, I'm gonna log into the PayPal right now. All right, all logged in here. Like I said, guys, I always keep my PayPal at 0. I just use the PayPal to filter the money through to my different accounts. All right, people. So right here, as you can see, I just cashed out a couple of days ago, $39 and some change. So like I said, people, the money is here. The money is always here. I told you I cash out almost every day, every other day. All right, you see I just cashed out $39 here, and I'm cashing out another $46 here. So like I said, it builds up over time. The reason why I'm showing you this is because most of this is my referral earnings. If you are serious about what you're about earning some income, just some side income online in your spare time every single day, 100% free. If you're serious, you got to use my system, and you got to just like go for it. And once you get it, you gotta put it up. All right, do not spend it on anything that's not gonna make you more money. All right, so if you got something going on, you can spend this money on ads. You can spend this money on your YouTube channel. If you got a YouTube channel, like, you can use this money for a lot of different things to help you. If you got your own gaming channel, you can help spread the word about your channel. You can use the money for a lot of different things, all right? But you gotta understand, do not waste this income. All right, so I'm gonna jump into OfferNation real quick. Let's go to withdraw here. Like I said, the reason I always do it just to show you guys it works, all right? Like, a lot of times you might watch a video, the video that you're watching, the person that cash out once or twice or here and there, right? Go through my channel. Go through my channel. It's just cash out after cash out after cash out after, and it's free, but it's nothing crazy. I'm not cashing out hundreds of dollars, right? But if I'm cashing out $5, $10, $15, $20, $30 every couple days, all the time, like, it adds up and it will help you out. It will help you out. All right, let me scroll down here. Always do instant PayPal, people. Always do instant PayPal. You'll get your money in seconds. All right, you see my PayPal here, $0. I'm gonna just click this right here. Your withdrawal request has been added to the pending list. It will be reviewed once approved. It will be sent within 24 hours of the request. All right, usually it's in minutes, not even minutes, seconds. All right, so let's just see how fast. Let's go to PayPal. Let's hit the refresh button here, and it's in already. All right, so that was less than 10 seconds. All right, this is why I'm telling you the power of my system that you guys have to understand. Do not underestimate $5, $10 a day, people. Don't underestimate. It's basically like you selling a product for $5 or $10 every single day. You selling one product every day. Now I know it's like, that's nothing. I know it's nothing, but you're gonna level up. The more you do, the more you're gonna level up, and after a while, you're gonna have enough money to fund what you gotta fund. Then you don't gotta use my system no more. All right. So like I said, there's no excuse. All right, there's no excuse. On your spare time, get up on here and grind, people. Get up on here and grind. $45.79 right here. All right, so now, right now, just want to show you guys that's in, how fast it's in. Let me go to surveys right here and show you guys where the money is at, people. Let me show you guys where the money is at. All right, so on an every single day basis, I come up in here and I try to grind. I try to bang out all your surveys. I try to bang out Dynana surveys. I try to bang out everything I can. All right, so I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to popular surveys. Once you go to popular surveys, I'm gonna scroll down here. These are gonna be the surveys. Now, this is where the money's at, people. This is where the money's at. Like, when I say this is where the money's at, this is how you're gonna get your $150 a month, $300 a month, $450 a month, right? For the heavy go-getters that's just really out here just not playing games, $600, $800 a month, right? It's here. It's here. Now, I know you're like, oh, where is that? Where's that? Watch my other tutorials. I break it down more in detail, all right? You gotta do what's getting done. All right, so look, like, we're gonna come here. First thing you want to do when you sign up, links in the description. When you sign up, the first thing you want to do is you're gonna come to this member chat right here, right? When you go to this member chat, all you want to do is scroll and see what's happening. What is people doing? Where's the money at? That's all you want to do is scroll, see where the money's at. All right, look at all this money that people are making here. All right, now this is all live in effect because I told you guys. I just wanted to scroll just to find mine again, just to show you guys. All right, look, free online money maker. I'm right here. All right, people. So like I said, look, 925.21. I'm not too big or high or whatever to get on here and put some money in the account. It's free. It's free. All right. Somebody just hit me up like, yo, you don't never do surveys. It's not official. You can't do surveys no more. Oh yeah, really? Boom, 70 cents right here. All right. So you guys gotta understand that the money's here if you need it. It's gonna take a little while. It's gonna get some time to get used to. It's gonna get you have to get used to not watching Netflix, not watching TV no more, not playing video games. You have to get used to all that. Why? Because you're trying to get to your dreams and your goals faster. Once you get to your dreams and goals faster, then you could play your video games. You could do whatever you want, watch your sports and all that. It's fine. Watch Netflix and chill all day. You could do that. But if you're not where you want to be at right now, what's the point of wasting time doing all that, right? You got to get to where we got to get to immediately, too. Immediately. That's the thing. You got to get there quickly, all right? So right here, here's where the money's at. All right? You don't need to worry about anything else. All you need to do is worry about this right here. Here's where the money's at. All right? Popular surveys. You're going to come here. Here's the area where you want to go. Your number 2 step after go into the member chat, find out where the money's at, right? All you gotta do is if somebody finished their offer, all you gotta just click the offer. It's gonna take you to the provider, and then you can just start from there. All right. My number 1 thing is always go for popular surveys, popular daily surveys. This is what's getting completed now every single day. Just go to Dynana and bang those out. Your surveys, bang those out. Do not stop doing that. Your surveys, international, unlimited. You know what that means? One day I did like 30 of these, 40 of these one day at 85 cents a pop. I did like literally like 30 or 40 of these one day. I was like, yo, I need this money. Yo, I'm not doing nothing today. I'm staying home. I'm banging this out. I did bang the whole thing out, cashed out the same day. All right. Like I was so into it. I didn't even do a video. I didn't do none of that. That was like way back. All right. So like I said, the money is here. Make sure you get on here, bang out these surveys every single day. Do like 10, 15 a day. You're gonna be so solid. That money coming in, and then that's the thing. Do not waste the money that's coming in. Do not go to fast food. Do not go to the movies. Do not buy candy and chips and stuff like that. Nah. You're gonna take this money. You're gonna put it up. In a month, take it, put it in some stock market, invest in yourself, buy some ads for your YouTube channel. Do something with the money. All right. Make sure you always use the money to invest to make more money. All right. Use money to create more money. All right, this is what I do. So I get money from here. I take that, put it into stocks, create more money. All right, so you got to understand on an everyday basis, you want to level up like that. All right, always go to Dynana surveys, your surveys, and Cint is very good too. Cint survey provider. All right. Another tip is always go to the member chat, find out what's being completed, click on it. It's gonna take you to the offer provider. Start going crazy. Another thing, when you're doing your surveys, always remember your profile questions. Always match up your profile answers to your profile questions. If you say you make $80,000 a year, put that you make 80,000. If you put 90, they're gonna disqualify you from the survey. All right. Always remember what your profile questions. And another thing is always remember what question kicks you out of a survey. Because if it's the same question, you answer it the same way, all you got to do is change the answer, and then you're going to start going through all the surveys. All right. So it's free online money maker. Get this money 100% free, people. Peace.